cubes can fly, and I was gonna make a DIY, or not DIY, Siamese cube, but it didn't turn out too good. Like, where is it? Here's part of it, and right here, there's a core of one of the crappy cubes I used. Yeah, I sort of should have watched the video on it. So, what I did is took it apart. And those are pieces from 2 cubes, and I'm sort of making my own DIY because there's adjustment screws right here, and there's springs in them. I don't know if you can see that or not. Quality's not that good, but yeah, there's springs. Oh, here, let's take it off. Yeah. And so, sorry. So what I do is getting the core, getting a corner piece. I'm putting it right on there. Putting one of the screws with a spring in it. Then I get my screwdriver and I push it down. So then I could just screw it in a little bit. Okay, and then that's one part of it. And check with you guys once I'm finished with the core. I just finished the core, and I think it'll turn out to be a little fast. But yeah, some of these pieces that I took off, they were glued, so some of them are pretty broken. But some of them aren't, so let's hope this works. Catch up with you later. Okay, people, I just finished my Sudoku, or my cube. Now I am my DIY-ish type thing, homemade DIY, and I am going to probably make it into a Sudoku cube, whatever it's called. So yeah, people, see y'all, Sharpie.